Creating your first email campaign in Mailchimp can feel overwhelming, but I'm here to guide you step by step, so you'll have your first campaign set up in no time. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your email marketing, this video will show you exactly how to create your first email campaign in Mailchimp and get the best results. Stick with me, because at the end, I'll reveal how you can access Mailchimp for free with exclusive bonuses. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is sign up for Mailchimp, and if you haven't yet, you can grab a free account. I'll include the link below where you can start your journey without paying a cent for a while, plus access some exclusive bonuses. Now, once you're logged in, head straight to the Campaigns tab. This is where the magic happens. Next thing, click the Create Campaign button. You'll get several options, but we're focusing on creating an email campaign today. Choose Email to start. Now, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your campaign. This is just for you, so pick something that helps you keep track of your campaigns easily. The fourth thing you'll want to do is choose your audience. Mailchimp lets you create different audiences for your email list, so select the one you want to target with this campaign. If you don't have an audience yet, no worries. You can create one from scratch and upload your contacts. The fifth thing to do is design your email. Mailchimp offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop builder, which means no coding skills required. You can start with a template or build your email from scratch. If you're just starting, a template is the easiest way to get things done quickly. You can customize it by dragging in text blocks, images, and buttons. Be sure to make your email look appealing and easy to read. Next, it's time to set up the subject line and preview text. This is crucial for your open rates, so spend some time crafting a catchy subject line that grabs attention. The preview text is what shows up next to the subject line in the inbox, so make sure it's a compelling preview of what the email contains. Once you've set up your design and subject, it's time for the sixth thing, sending a test email. This is super important because it allows you to see how your email looks in real inboxes. You don't want any surprises after sending it to your whole list. Mailchimp makes it easy to send a test to yourself or a colleague. Next up, scheduling your email. Once you're happy with everything, it's time to schedule your email. You can choose to send it immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time. This flexibility ensures you can time your campaign perfectly for your audience. Finally, after your email has been sent or scheduled, keep track of how it performs. Mailchimp provides detailed analytics that show you how many people opened your email, clicked on your links, and more. This is key to improving your future campaigns. As you can see, creating your first email campaign in Mailchimp is pretty straightforward. You can start completely free, and remember to check out the first link in the description to access your exclusive trial with added bonuses. If you follow these steps, you'll be running effective email campaigns in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that link below to start your free trial of Mailchimp today.